Welcome to the course Deep Renovation for Energy Efficiency in Residential Buildings. The course is directed to students or professionals who would like to get a grasp of energy efficiency in buildings and to understand how to achieve a deep renovation project. Deep renovation is often being approached as a technological challenge, but in the last decades, a specific attention has increased also on social, legislative and financial aspects in order to unlock the market and improve the renovation rate. Deep renovation is a refurbishment that reduces both the delivered and the final energy consumption of a building by a significant percentage compared with pre-renovation levels, leading to a very high energy performance. That's the reason why this open online course on deep renovation, held by experts on the topic from Politecnico di Milano and EURAC Research Center, has been structured to give you an overview on definition, regulation, methods and tools. At the end of the course, you will be able to understand energy efficiency in buildings and to plan a deep renovation project with technical solution considering boundaries and regulation set by the European framework. Deepen into both passive and active technologies and be able to comprehend their potential and limits in deep renovation. And also beat out reliable methodologies and tools, like for example building modeling simulation, to address not only energy but also comfort, cost, and environmental impact. Those are the core topics covered by this MOOC, and I've just quickly given you a bird's eye view of their contents. I hope you will enjoy the course, and most important, I hope you will find what me and all the other speakers will say here useful in your life in general and as energy efficient building renovation professional.